Hey everybody, I'm the Craftacular Creator and today I'm showing a process video for a fun birthday card that is absolutely spot on. The giraffes are having a party, the snacks are imaginary, the vibes are immaculate and the dress code is glasses. In this video I'll be showing you how to make the most of a large word die, how to add interest with an embossed background and, perhaps most excitingly, how to perform a little paper surgery on a herd of giraffe. And don't worry, no real giraffes were harmed in the making of this video, not even mildly inconvenienced. Before we begin, you know the drill, please get clicky for Vicky. Go on, give the like button a gentle boop. Oh wait, done? Excellent, let's crack on. To create this card I used Lawn Fawn Wild For You, Dad and Me, an embossing folder from Crafts 2 called Swiss Dots, a giant word die, giant hooray in fact, Finley's ABCs, Tide Pool cardstock, and a few inks that you can see to the left of the screen. I begin by stamping my giraffes on Nina Classic Crest £80 cardstock using Memento Tuxedo black ink, a classic combo that plays very nicely with Copics. Nice crisp impressions, just how we like them. Now for colouring. As I colour, you'll see the Copic sketch caps on screen so you can follow along or colour match later. And while this part is playing, tell me, do you enjoy colouring more or assembling more? I feel like colouring is relaxing, but assembly is where the drama happens. I kept the giraffes fairly classic in tone because I knew things were about to get spectacularly silly. Once the colouring was done, it was time to address the party dress code. These giraffes are not turning up without glasses, absolutely not. I stamped glasses onto the giraffes after colouring using a rainbow of brightly coloured inks. Because if you're going to commit to glasses on giraffes, you may as well go full optometrist chic. Let me know, which colour glasses would your giraffe wear? Bonus points if you give them a name. Next I let the word die do the talking, well, shouting, and place hooray right in the centre. It's the Lawn Fawn Giant Hooray die and it delivers big words, bold energy and no inside voice. The panel was embossed off screen with the Swiss Dots folder. The dots echo the giraffe spots, which totally ties everything together. Completely intentional, obviously. Quick poll, embossed backgrounds, yes or I forgot I own folders? They do miss us when we ignore them. Now, because one hip just won't do, I die cut hip twice. I lined up the letters and picked them up with Spellbinder's best ever craft tape, much easier than chasing tiny letters around the desk. With hooray already glued down, including the exclamation point, punctuation matters, I attached a double hip hip. Once it's set, I carefully removed the tape and smoothed the letters with a bone folder. A little luxury spa treatment for the cardstock. Now for the giraffes. I arranged them around the letters, keeping the word readable. It's basically a puzzle, just with legs. Once I'm happy, I glue them down. Off screen I did a little paper surgery, trimming away any excess giraffe parts that hang over the edges or overlap too much. The giraffes are absolutely fine, I promise. And then I attached a panel to a card base. I trimmed my embossed panel down to 3.75 by 5 inches, which leaves a lovely white border when mounted onto the card base. And here it is, the finished card. A full-on giraffe party, in glasses, shouting hip hip hooray. Honestly, if this doesn't say celebration, I don't know what does. This card was inspired by episode 283 of Craft Roulette. The parameters were a card for a nerd or a nerdy card, hence the glasses, beach colours, sand and sea tones, hip twice and a hooray, animal print, giraffe spots. And when I say nerd, I mean it with the deepest respect. To be a nerd is a compliment in my bespectacled eyes. Here's a slide to explain what Craft Roulette is all about, just in case you're curious. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to get clicky for Vicky. Go on, don't make those giraffes adjust their glasses and squint at the screen. They're stylish, not squinty. Let me know in the comments, what would this giraffe party playlist include? And would you keep the glasses only dress code or bend the rules for party hats? If you recreate this card or make your own version, please tag me. I love seeing your makes almost as much as these giraffes love a good hip hip hooray. Until next time, keep crafting, keep stamping, and remember, life is better when your cards are joyful, your word dice are oversized, and your giraffes are legally allowed to wear glasses. Ta-ta for now, and watch out for falling confetti and rogue giraffes on your way out.